strawberry makeup look. We're not going to be applying foundation, so I'm just going to work with a bit of color correcting around this area and my concealer. That's all I'll be using on my face. And you can prep your skin with more base products. So now I'm applying the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, because I feel like it will give this look a nice glow as well. It smells so good. First time using this. And I also want to cover these pores here, so I'll be using a primer for that. I'll be using the YSL Blur Primer. So I'm gonna apply the primer here to blur out the pores. It's working like magic. Did you guys see the pores disappear, or is it just me? Wow. Amazing. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my Tarte concealer, all-time favorite. So this is all I'll be wearing for this look. And also, if you see, I already have these what you call it? Oh my god. Freckles. I already have these freckles for the strawberry look, so I don't need any fake ones. These are my natural freckles. So I'm just gonna apply a bit of concealer, and that will be it for my base, and then I'll apply the blush, obviously, because we want the dewy glowy look. I'm going in with the damp sponge. The difference the concealer makes is crazy. Now I applied the concealer. I'm not gonna put any eyeshadow because she's not wearing any eyeshadow on the picture, but she is wearing eyeliner here, so I'm gonna use my favorite eyeliner for it. Now I'm using the Sephora black ink eyeliner pen, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of a line, very thin line here. I think that's good. We're not going to be applying any fake lashes. We want to curl it. I'm now applying the MAC Black Stack mascara. Whoa, it's really good. Guys, look at the difference. I'm using this mascara for the first time, MAC Stack Black. Oh my god, look at the difference. If you're looking for a mascara, go get this right now. Now I'm going to be using the Got2b Brows and Edges gel. I don't think I need to fill them in, so I'm just going to make it look bushy. That's the brows done. Now I'm going to line my lips with the MAC Chestnut lip liner. I'm going to be now using the Too Faced Extreme Original Lip Injection to give it a bit of a plump to the lips. Okay, for this look, no other blush will be perfect than this Charlotte Tilbury blush wand in the shade Dream Pop. Pillow Toe collection. Okay, so we are going all in. So I put a little bit around my nose, a little bit on my cheeks here, not a little bit, actually a lot, and then a bit here as well. Maybe we want some on the forehead because we want to look like a strawberry. Usually I apply this with my brushes, but today I want to apply with my fingers. I feel like it will give the dewy look that I'm going for. And it's kind of fun. Okay. Yes. Whoa. But we love it, because we want to look like a strawberry. Okay. That's a lot. Don't worry, guys. We're gonna be looking fine in a minute. So a little bit here. Yeah, so it's almost like we are contouring with a blush. What you say? Okay. Okay, play around with the fingers. a little bit here. I look funny. Okay, see, it's not so bad. Just now with the damp sponge, blending everything. I love how this blush looks, like it just looks perfect for this look. Now to complete the look, I'm gonna apply some highlighter. I'm using the glowgasm highlight from Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit here. I'm gonna use again my fingers and just highlight this area. So it looks very dewy and natural. Do you see that glow? Oh my god. So I'm just blending the highlight together with the blush. Sort of also like a blush but with highlight. And then a little bit around this area. Give it that dewy, glowy look. And then I'm gonna apply some here. Because we wanna glow, baby, glow. And a little bit here. Bit more on the nose. Maybe some on the forehead. Here you have it. I honestly feel like I'm a strawberry now. Let me do my hair and put something on to imitate the exact look. See you guys in a bit. Dark skin, brown skin girl friendly strawberry makeup look inspired by Hailey Bieber.